So far in 2022, and we are only 2 months through the year, we have seen an increase in salaries being demanded from the market. It's quite natural. There are a lot of opportunities out there, but candidates aren't willing to move. Candidates that are willing to move, what can you do to secure that higher salary? My top tips for this. Number one, make sure that you have a very, very good in-depth CV. What are you doing? What projects are you working on? What is your company doing? And the skills that you're using. That is going to be paramount to at least getting your foot through the door. Number two, when in interview, make sure you are fully prepared. And when you're talking through an interview, through the projects that you're working on, you must be using the words I and my. So I did this and my role was to do that. You're not trying to sell a project to a company, you're trying to sell yourself. Have questions related to the company, to the project, and to future growth. Prep for interview is going to be key. And my third and final point, and it's something that we get asked here a lot as recruiters, why do you ask me for my current salary? This is important. Obviously, we understand that candidates to make a move do want an increase. Completely normal, completely understandable. Across the market, when we're talking about recruitment, that's something that's standard. We ask for this question for one and two reasons. The first is to make sure that you're within the budget that the client has set us. And number two, we want to get you an increase, but we don't want your increase to be too much above what the client's going to pay. So if the client asks you what your current salary is going to be, you're going to ask them. So we just ask for that information one step sooner so that we are fully aware and fully prepared if they ask us for that question. Of course, we're going to get you an increase, but it's just important that we know that information. Any Java developers out there, any cloud experts, anybody looking for a new opportunity in Sweden, reach out. I'll put my contact details below and we'll happily discuss one or two opportunities that we would have for you.